Everyone, welcome back. So today we will see for kids EVS, that is environmental studies. So today we will see sense organs. Okay, we will see sense organs. So we will just draw the parts of sense organs. First, children, let me know what is sense organs. I will write here. See, sense organs. Sense organs. Okay. Now tell me, what is sense organs? What is sense? There are 5 senses of us. I will first explain you. What is sense? What are organs? So see here first. Organs. Sense organs means, what are organs? Organs means are body parts such as neck, legs, eyes, nose. They all have a specific function to do. So they are called the organs. Okay. What parts? Neck, then eyes, legs, nose. These all are the organs. So they all have some task or some function they have. So they are called organs. They are called organs. Okay. So what are sense organs? Sense organs is nothing but there are 5 senses. How many senses? There are 5 senses. Okay. See, there are 5 senses. In humans, there are 5 senses. So the first sense is sense of sight. Sense of sight. Sense of sight means from which we see. From where we see? From our eyes. Yes, from our eyes. So we see with our eyes. So we will first draw sense of sight. Sense of sight. So we will draw first eyes. Eyes. See how to draw. See. Okay. Then see. This is the eyes. See here. See, this is the eyes. See, this is the eyes. So this is our eyes. So this is called sense of sight. Sense of sight. Sense of sight. Sight means vision, from where we see. We see with our eyes. Okay, eyes, bracket. Right here, eyes for your understanding. These are the 5 senses. So the first sense is eyes. The first sense is eyes. Okay. The second sense, that is, we will see first one by one. Sense organs. So what are organs here? In this video, we will see only the first sense first. Okay. First sense. Sense organs. There are 5 senses. So what are organs? Organs like are body parts like neck, legs, eyes, ears, nose. These all have a specific function to do. So they are called organs. They are called organs. And what are sense organs? There are 5 senses. Senses means sense, something to sense. So there are 5 senses. So this is our first sense. Sense of sight is also called sense of eyes. From eyes, this is the task of eyes. What is the task of eyes? Through the help of eyes, we can see, right? We can see. So we can see with our eyes. For an example, this, see, eyes, right? So eyes, our eyes, what do our eyes do? Our eyes helps us to tell us about the dangers around. For an example, if we close the eyes and we play, okay, so that time what we are in fear, if we get hurt, if we are unable to see what is there and we straight away walk, if we get hurt, so our friends will help us. Danger, danger, because they can see with their eyes. We are closing the eyes and we are playing at that time, so they will help us by saying danger, right? Similarly, our eyes is the main help for us. How they help? How they help? Eyes help us through, if we are reading a story from a story book. If we are reading a story from a story book, it helps us to read, right? So the eyes, see, eyes helps us to read. Eyes helps us to read. Then it helps us to tell us about the dangers around, right? So it helps us to read. Then first read, then write, then tells us the dangers around, right? Tells us the dangers around. Tells us the dangers around. Now again, eyes helps us to watch TV, right? Watch television, right? So it helps us to watch. See how many work does the eyes do. See, there are so many functions of this sense. Sense of sight, eyes. See, read. It helps us to read. If we are reading a story in a storybook, from a storybook, if we are reading a story, it helps us to read. It helps us to write. It helps us to tell us what the dangers are around. Then it helps us to watch cartoons on television or any serials on television, right? Then also it is like eyes will help us to see it from the distance. If there is a hole or something is there, that is danger, it will help us that yeah, there is a danger around. So it will help us if some children are playing, if like for an example, if some kids are playing, right? If let's say 2-3 kids are playing, so if the kids are playing and in nearby it's a hole or a something is there, so the eyes helps us to avoid falling it in the hole, as the eyes will able to see it and it will help us that this is a danger, don't go there, keep this keep this a distance. Okay, so we will maintain a distance from it so that we can't go to the danger. So it's better to avoid the danger. Eyes are helping us. Eyes are helping us to read, write, tell us what the danger is around, dangers are around, right? Then watch the television on so watch the television, right? So these are the sense of sight, that is eyes helps us in this all. Eyes helps us in this all. Now we will see the other sense organ in our next video.